Coming up on CityView, a plan aimed at ending homelessness. We'll tell you what's in it next. Plus, we chill out at the Cool House Tour, see the new ways homeowners are saving energy. And take in a little art next time you're at the skate park. We'll take a look next. Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. The city of Austin adopted the Austin Action Plan to End Homelessness and is developing a housing-focused facility in South Austin that will help people experiencing homelessness get into permanent housing as quickly as possible. The city plans to do this by working on housing, social services, and other resources that are necessary in helping someone start over. The Homeless Center will not be operated as a drop-in location and will be able to fully support and connect the residents living there to resources that are tailored to their individual needs in a safe, secure, and welcoming environment. The aim is to achieve more efficient use of resources and increased effectiveness for our homeless neighbors. This center is a true neighborhood and community asset, offering Austinites an alternative to living under bridges, in greenbelts, or alleys as they work toward getting into permanent housing. In other news, like clockwork, energy and water bills usually go up during the hot summer months, especially as air conditioners and sprinklers work overtime. To help customers with those summer energy costs, Austin Energy and Austin Water are sharing tools and tips to help manage summer utility bills. Reducing your energy and water usage can help you manage your bills. Setting thermostats to 78 degrees or higher, watering only on your assigned day, installing LED light bulbs, and unplugging energy-hungry appliances when not in use. These tips can help you save every month. You can lower inside temperatures by using fans when you are in the room, drawing the shades, and avoiding use of the oven during the hottest hours of the day. Want to learn more about how to save this summer? Visit a community event to speak with utility representatives to learn about rebates and discover more ways to save. And be sure to visit austinenergy.com/go/summer or austintexas.gov/summer savings to release the piggy banks and save on utility bills this summer. On a hot June Sunday, more than 750 people were learning how to keep it cool at the 23rd Annual Cool House Tour. The signature event, produced by Austin Energy, Green Building, and Texas Solar Energy Society, is a resource for learning how to live comfortably in the central Texas climate. The self-guided tour featured 3 remodels, 3 new homes, an accessory dwelling unit, and a wildlife sanctuary residence, all designed to be highly energy efficient. Attendees were shown how easy it is to improve home performance with insulation and efficient windows. One homeowner, who was also the builder, gave tours of the city's first permitted residential gray water system and 6,700-gallon rainwater system, which provides water for the toilets, pool top-off, and garden irrigation. A backyard treehouse apartment used an upcycled shipping container and steel frame to create a foundation which doubled as extra storage space and an electric vehicle charging carport.
We're big fans of the Cool House Tour. We went last year, and when we got the email, we're excited to come again. We're real big fans of the sustainability and the energy efficiency, but I think the biggest draw of the tour is just to actually see the design choices.
Austin Energy representatives were also on hand to share information about programs that help homeowners save energy. For more information on this year's Cool House Tour, visit coolhousetour.com. And now a story about some amazing temporary artwork created for the city's Tempo 2D mural program, an initiative of Austin Art in Public Places.
Hello, my name is Lance Bradley. This is a mural I painted at the Mabel Davis Skate Park in Austin, Texas. The name of this mural is Reverse Invaders, and it was commissioned by the Austin Art in Public Places. So basically, these are original, very fast sketchbook drawings that I like to bring up to a point where I spend 40, 50 hours painting them on a large scale. I work really small, very tiny, but I really, really love taking small things and bringing it up to a large scale and getting the contour correct and the line thickness. And so to me, it's about weight. So as it gets larger, I want the weight ratio to feel right. I'm happy to be at a skateboard park. Skateboarding has been part of my life since I've been 10 years old. So it's a very calm zen place for me to paint, especially when the skaters are skating. Never give up. I mean, just creating bodies of work. It's putting in the time. I'm really lucky, I feel, because I wake up and just jump out of bed and feel inspired every day.
To find out more about the Tempo 2D program, locations of murals, or apply to be a muralist yourself, visit austincreates.com. That's all for this week's City View. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. Our next episode premieres Monday, July 8th. Thanks for watching.